Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em running You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and when it's time to go, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July.
Roll back, roll back. Black, black. Black, black. Look, I've seen man get stabbed till his eyes roll back. Roll back, roll back, roll back, roll back. And I jumped out car trying to take off hats. First hammer that I saw had a whistle attached. I heard kill, talking waps and shanks, but I don't know what time that he slapped his ting, and I don't know a name from the G you shank. Ever since something got stabbed in the town, got half of the town trying to be like me. No, I never stuck to my books, I was scraping pots and serving fiends. Right now I'm trying to make my family proud, but I'm still trying to put down one of them knees. Pulled out my knife, trying to talk, but something got stabbed before he finished his speech. Look, I stabbed him first, he didn't know how to react, he was tense and stiff, so I told him relax. Relax! 2 ops in my view, give me a minute, watch both get shanked. Now I'm feeling like shook, trying to catch 2 packs. The trap got boom, so I flew out the back. The blue lights, I ain't showing my hands. Something got done just the other day. Now I'm walking to the shop with a gun in my pants. Shit gets real when you're living like man. Best approach man right if you're only a fan. Talking the lane.